Now let's explore on how to use a contact form widget of a classic add-on plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on the plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. Choose your preferred layout here, and in the left side click on this widget and search for the contact form. Simply drag and drop into your section, and in the left side you can choose the preferred contact form, and then export is layout, and here you can change the layout of the contact from default classic, modern or classic pro. Let's choose modern, and here you can change the alignment of the contact form. Let's moving on to the style, and here you can change background color of the contact form, and this option for changing font color, and here you can enable or disable the box shadow. Also you can change the style of the box shadow here, and here you can change the box shadow position, and this is for contact form margin. Enter your outer space value for the contact form, and this is for padding. Here you can enter inner space value for this contact form, and here you can change the font family and font style of the contact form. Also you can change this in the overview too. Finally update it, and let's check it in the output.